a little Christmas shopping, and I just wanted to show you my shopping haul. So my goal was to keep it as within budget as possible, and also just not to go crazy. So I'll show you a couple of things that I got. So I got this Bears pillow for my dad. It's so cute, and he loves the Chicago Bears, so go Bears. This pillow was actually extremely affordable. We got it from Sam's Club, and it was about $15. It's big, it's fluffy, and I know my dad will love the emblem on that pillow. All right. I also did a little shopping at Ulta. Okay. So I got Dennis some cologne that he really wanted. This is the Dolce & Gabbana King Cologne. And it was about $72. They also did have a bigger size that was like $94 that came with a free lotion. But I think because he has so many different expensive colognes, this one was budget friendly, and I think that it'll be great for him to try it out. And if he wants the full bottle, he can go buy it himself. And what I really liked about shopping at Ulta is that they also gave you a huge free throw blanket or a bathrobe. So I chose to get the throw blanket. Okay. A couple of more things. I did end up getting Kashy a I think it's some kind of like smart tablet. That plays a bunch of kid games. It's extremely kid friendly. The color came in blue, but Daddy already wrapped this gift. All right, and I think that this is something for me, so I'm just gonna stick that to the side. All right, I also got my dad a throw blanket from Marshall's. This was also about $15, super cute. It also has the bears on it, and it's just a super cute, looks like a plush fleece throw blanket. All right, couple of more things that I got. I also got Dennis this cute Polo hoodie. It's some of the newer Polo with the emblem of the bear. The hoodie was about $130, but he really does like Polo, so I think that he would get really good wear out of this hoodie. Okay, and another thing that I got Dennis, so I actually did stop in Polo, as I mentioned earlier, and I did get a nice Polo jacket just for him to wear in the spring with some jeans and a cute t-shirt. And this jacket was about $98. Okay, a couple of more things. We did stop at Sam's Club and we bought Kashy a smart VTech table, but Daddy has already wrapped his present. But this is a table, including a chair. The table has a little tablet built into it. It does talk, so it's a smart table. Really cute. All right. Couple of more things. We did get Mom like a nice, let's see, incline, really cute. Really comfy robe, but it zips up, so that's going to be super cute for her. I hope she likes it. I also got an order in from Fenty. There's a lot of garments in this box, but this is definitely PG-13, so I'm going to keep this box to myself, but this is something for me and Dennis to kind of play around with. Alright, a couple of other things that we got. I'm not sure what this is, but I think I wrapped it up. Okay, I stopped at Marshall's and I did get Dennis this cute Papa Bear Cup. So this is like a super cute mug. He loves coffee mugs, especially the ones that specifically say that these are for him so nobody else drinks out of it. But this is a super cute cup and I got it from Marshall. Okay, and for this big box, this really cute recliner. And I'm not quite sure if you can see, but it's a kid's recliner. I got this from Sam's Club. It was $89.99. It is full leather. It does recline and it goes backwards. The color is brown, so I really hope that he enjoys his gift, especially on the movie nights that we have. And a couple of more things that I got. We did get Kashy this really cute Elmo set. This came from Target. Daddy went in and purchased it, so I'm not exactly sure how much it cost, but it was at Target. And we also got a microfiber twin comforter. This is Sesame Street. It also came from Target. When he sees this, he is going to freak because he loves Elmo and he loves Cookie Monster. Alright, and I picked up a few things for my view. Alright. So I stopped at Coach. And I did get Dennis some really cute loafers. So this is his cute Coach loafer. Alright, so this is really cute. He can wear this in the spring, in the fall, early winter with some cute jeans and maybe a black suit jacket. But yes, it's really cute. Came from Coach. I believe this was $228 at the Coach store, but it is real genuine leather and he'll have these forever. Okay, and I also got a cute little Coach belt. So this is like the little baggie that the Coach belt comes in. And this is a cute little Coach belt, and it has the matching emblems of his shoes. And this belt was $150, but he'll have it forever. A leather belt lasts you pretty much forever. Alright, so that is about it. I really hope that you enjoyed my Christmas haul. Wait 1 second. I did buy a couple of bottles for a good friend in a grab bag. I have a bottle of Moscato. I have another bottle of red wine. So all of those things she'll be super happy about. And so I really hope that you enjoyed this Christmas haul. If you have any questions, please comment at the bottom. There's still 5 days to Christmas, so I still have a little bit of shopping to do. But I hope I'm at a good head start. I'm going to get started wrapping these things. Merry Christmas to you all, and to you all a good night. Thank you for tuning in to Growing Up Cash. Bye, and Merry Christmas.